Question number 7. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter. In last lecture, we learned question number 5th and 6th of exercise 12.2. Now question number 7. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. Pi is equal to 3.40 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. Here we draw figure. A chord of circle of radius 12 centimeter. Here O is the center. AB is the chord. Radius 12 centimeter. It is 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. Subtend an angle 120 degree at the center. Here this angle 120 degree. Find the area of corresponding segment of the circle. Area of this part. Corresponding segment. How we find? We know area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. First we find area of sector and area of triangle. Here angle is equal to 120 degree. In question number 5th and 6th, subtended angle is equal to 60, then other angle is equal to 60. Then we find equilateral triangle, we use area of equilateral triangle. Here we find these two angles. 120, 180 minus these both angles are equal opposite angle of opposites equal sides. 180 minus 120, then 60, then it is 30. We find here altitude, draw altitude OM. This angle is equal to whole angle is equal to 120 degree. Each angle is 60. Here 90, 30. Therefore it is 60. Or center, draw perpendicular on the chord from the center. It is bisect the chord, which is theorem in standard 9. Now we find OM. How we find? 3 angles are given and one side is given. Then we find 2 sides here. We use trigonometry. Like example number 3. We use trigonometry in this question. In this question, sine 30 in triangle OMP. In triangle OMP, sine 30 equals to, sine is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. We know opposite side OM, opposite side of 30, then OM, and hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equal to OB. What is the value of sine 30? 1/2 is equal to OM upon OB. OB is equal to 12. 12 by 2 is equal to OM. OM is equal to 6. Here its measure is 6. Now we find MB. Which angle use? Sine 60 is equal to MB upon hypotenuse. sine 60 is equals to, in this triangle, we use sine value 90, 60, 30, here 30, here 60. 60 is equals to opposite side MB upon hypotenuse OB. Sine 60, what is the value of sine 60? Everybody know? Yes, root 3 by 2 equals to MB upon 12 root 3 into 12 by 2 is equals to MB. MB is equals to 6 root 3. But we know AB is equals to 2MB. AB is equals to MB plus MB. We need AB, 2MB. 2 into multiply MB. MB is equals to 6 root 3, 12 root 3. Even value root 3. Root 3 is equals to 1.73. Okay, put here like this. Now we find area of triangle OAB is equals to 1/2 into base into altitude OM into AB, altitude into AB, 1/2. What is value of OM? OM is equals to 6. We find here OM is equals to 6. And AB is equals to 12 into 1.73. 2, 6 are 36 multiply 10.73 centimeters square. We find here area of triangle. Otherwise, we write 36 root 370 centimeter square. Then put value. Area of sector. What is formula? Area of sector 5 yard square into area upon 360 equals to pi is equals to 3.14. What is the R? We write here R is equals to radius 12 centimeter, theta 120 degree, 12 into 120 upon 360 degree is equals to 0, 123 is 3, 4 is. Now multiplication of these terms. 37.68 multiplied 4. 152.72 centimeter square. You calculate these now terms. Multiplication of 36 into 1.73. No, I calculate here. Is equals to 36 is 108. 36 is carry 10 and then 36 ones are 36 and 36 and 62 4 is 28 centimeters square. Your multiplication is like this: 62.28 centimeters square. Then multiply 6 3s are 18. Otherwise 6 3s are 18. 174 6 7s are 42 and 143 3 4 7 10.38 multiply 6 6 8s are 48 4 6 3s are 12 and 6 3s are 18 and 4, 22, 2K, 6 1s are 6, 62.28 centimeters square. Yes, correct? Yes. Okay, 62.28 centimeters square. Now, find area of corresponding segment of the circle. Area of segment, that means minor segment, is equal to, what is formula? Area of sector, yes, minus area of triangle. What is value of area of sector? We find here 150.72 minus area of triangle 62.28 equals to 12 minus 8, 4, 6 minus 2, 4, 10 minus 2, 8, 14 minus 6, 88.44 centimeters square, which is our last answer. Area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. Again this question. A chord of circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Theta is equal to 120 degree. Radius is equal to 12 cm. Find area corresponding to segment. Area corresponding segment of the circle. Find area of segment. Area of segment. Pi is equal to 3.14 and root 3 is equal to 1.73. We draw here figure. In triangle OMB, OM perpendicular A. In triangle OMB, it is 90. This angle is 30, therefore also 60. Sin 30 is equal to opposite OM upon hypotenuse. Then we find here OM is equal to 6. Sin 60 is equal to MB upon hypotenuse. Then we find MB is equal to 6 root 3. AP is equal to 2AP. M is a midpoint of the AB. Then 12 root 3 multiplication. 12 root 3 area of triangle is equal to 1/2. Base into height. Then we find 62.28 centimeters square. Area of sector pi r square theta upon 360 is equal to 150.72 centimeters square. Now, area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle is equal to 88.44 centimeters square. Question number 7 is completed here. Question number 8. Open your book. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 50 meter by means of a 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can grass. The increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Here it is a square field. Use in figure, in textbook, figure is given, length 15 meter. At one corner, horse tied with 5 meter long rope. Here, in one corner, horse is tied. Suppose here horse is tied with, this is 5 meter long rope. Then it is grazing, its grazing area is like this. It is 5 meter. start here, then it is graze in this area. It is shape of which shape? Sector. Here this is its O, I call here, it is 5 meter. The area of that part of the field in which the horse eats grass. First we find. Number 1, the area of that part of the field in which the horse can grass tied with 5-meter long rope. Tied with in which tied with 5 meter or 5 meter long rope. Here R is equals to 5 meter. Then theta in square. Theta is equals to, here it is a center. Time theta is equals to 90. We write area is equals to area of sector. It is equals to, what is area of sector? Pi r square into theta upon 360 equals to, pi is equals to, what is value? Pi is equals to 3.14. R is equals to 5 into 5. Theta is equals to 90 upon 360. 94 is a 2 is a 1.37. 1.37 multiplied into 5 divided by 2 equals to 39.85 divided by 2 equals to 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18. 0.1, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 19.65, 625 centimeter square. 19.625 centimeter square. Now, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long. Here, rope is 5 meter. Suppose rope is here 10 meter long. Then what is its increase area? Its increase area is like this. It is its increase area. Here original area. Suppose rope is. Then we find area of this sector and increase area is equal to area of sector with radius 10 centimeter minus area of sector radius 5 meter. I find here area of sector and second number The area of that part, the area of that part often in which often in which the horse can grass. Tied with 10-meter long. 10-meter long rope is equals to radius pi r square theta upon 360. Here r is equals to 10 meter and theta is equals to r is equals to 10 meter and theta is its here corner, therefore theta is equals to 90. Area of sector formula pi r square theta upon 360. I use here r is equals to capital R is equals to 10 meter. Pi is equals to 3.14 multiply 10 into theta 90 pi 360 90 4s are. Now 314 divided by 4 equals to 157 divided by 2 equals to 78.5 centimeter square. We find here area of this part. Now the increase part. Now what is increase part? Increase part is like this. Area of the sector with arcs 10 centimeter 10 meter minus area of sector with radius 5 centimeter. Then we write here area of increase area is equal to increase area. Increase in the grazing area. Increase in the grazing area is equal to 78.5 minus 19.625 equals to 58.875 meter square. Here meter square, not centimeter. I write it like centimeter because all units are in meter. 15 meter and 10 meter. Therefore, side 15 meter. Rope length is equal to 5 meter. Increase 10 meter. Then last answer is equal to 58.875 meter. In textbook you saw this figure. Here horse is drawn, but I do not draw. Here square field 15 meter length. It's 5 meter long. Its grazing area is like this. Suppose any angle, this grazing area is like this and it's up. Then find its increase area. First we define area with radius 5 meter is equals to 119.625. Increase area with 10 meter is equals to 78.5 meter. Here the area of that part of the field in which the horse can grass. Then find first part. Area of second part, increase area. Then we find 10 meter minus 5 meters is equals to 58.875 meters square. Question number 7. Question number 8 is completed here.